Assalamu alaikum. Myself Mariam Ali. Today I'm going to explain you about the ADC, that is stand for analog to digital converter. So as we know, analog to digital converter are widely used because if we talk about the real world, it is about analog. But if we talk about the devices that we are using, like PCs or any device, any coding device, it is in the digital form. It is in the form of digital binary numbers like 1001, and it is easy to perform and fast to perform for a PC. So basically that is why an analog to digital converter is widely used, and so there is a small sensor ADC used here. Further, if I am going to talk about ADC in the 3 to 8 mega chip, then further there are some registers of that. First register is AD-mux. So AD-mux is basically the register for the multiplexer selection register. So at that selection register, the last bit is reference selection bit. So at reference selection bit, it is set for the voltage there. So if I'm going to perform this 0 0, then the internal reference voltage is off, and if I'm going to get 0 1, then the external capacitor at reference pin is on, and if I'm going to give 1 0, then it is not available as this pin is reserved. And further, if 1 1, then the internal 2.56 reference voltage with the external capacitor at reference pin. So these are three things which we have to, if I'm going to provide, there are three things. I'm going to use the external voltage, I'm going to use the external reference voltage, or I'm going to provide my self voltage to the Arduino. Further, there is a ADLRA, that is ADC left adjust result. So basically ADLAR is a thing that this is of 10 bit thing, 10-bit transfer from ADC converter. So it is distributed on two registers of 8-bit. So it can be goes like here, or it goes like that leftmost bit on the first one and other on the second one. So this is the left shift here. And further, these are the analog channel section pairs here, and in 3 to 8p there are 8 ADC bit here channel. For selecting them, we have 5 bit value here. So further on at 000, ADC 0 is set. If I have to use ADC 5, then 101 have to be set there. Further is the ADC SRA status control and status register here, and it have an enable register, start conversion, auto trigger enable, interrupt flag, interrupt enable, prescaler bits for the clock here, and further these are the ADLR which I am talking about, that it is of 10 bit. So one is ADCH and other are ADCL. If I have to apply the left shift, then these bit transfer there like that. There are two modes of operation in the ADC, single conversion mode and the free running mode. If I have not provided this enabled here, the start conversion, then it is running on the free mode. The task is here to make a thermometer with LM35 sensor and display its output on the LCD. So this is a sensor here. If I'm going to heat this area here, then its temperature increases. It is all not a well-defined thermometer, but we can make it like thermometer by using it LM35 sensor here. So basically in these registers we define that we are going to use the reference 1 here, that is we are using 0 1 itself internal voltage of 5 volt of this. Further we are enabling the ADC, then the enable call, interrupt enable call. Further on, this is set here like 1 1 1. These color is set there. Further on, this is temperature. The while loop runs, and further these count there is temperature here with this formula. If I'm going to show it on you, this is the software simulation here. This is not that accurate, but let me show you. Let me reset it. Just help me. There are some kind of point gaps here, so that's why this shows some different number of temperature here. This is the software simulation. If I'm going to show you the hardware here, then this is the hardware of this ADC. So basically, this here is the sensor which we are heating with a lighter here. So that palm side of the transistor shape of sensor, we are going to heat that, and by heating that, our temperature will rise from 30 to 38 degrees Celsius. So this is all for today. Thank you.